welcome to my channel. So I've done this little intro video just to give a little bit of insight and just to explain what this channel's all about. So basically I'm a level 3 trade qualified mechanic and I work from everything from, I don't know, small tools like generators and disc cutters and stuff like that, right the way up to HGVs and lorries and stuff like that. So the main stuff on this channel is going to be the stuff in between. So it's going to be the cars, it's going to be the vans, I'm going to do some bikes. I got this really exciting LT50 quad project. So if you've got an LT50, I'm going to literally go through every single piece of this quad and I'm going to show you how to repair and recondition every part. So yeah, definitely if you're into that sort of thing, or if you're just into mechanics as a general, yeah, hit that subscribe button, and check out my videos and see what you think. Like I say, any feedback you can give, any comments, just feel free to just comment, and I try to reply to every comment I get, so if you have any problems that's not in my videos, hell, comment on that too, and you never know, I might be able to know someone that's got a vehicle and I can get information or help with your problem as well as the problems that I help in my garage. So mainly all these videos come from mainly friends and relatives who have problems with their vehicles. They come to me and then I make a video on it. So like, to tell you the truth, this channel is aimed at the general public. You may not have a large understanding of vehicles, and you don't want to spend big money on expensive repairs when a lot of this time you can just do it yourself. So that's what this channel is created for, to help the general public and help people like you do repairs on your vehicles and save costly bills. So that's mainly what I did this for, just to help people out and to give back to information that I use YouTube just like you do. If I'm doing a new job, I did a timing belt the other week and I wanted to make sure that I had all the tools there to do the job. So yeah, I watched a video someone else put up and got all the information prior to doing it. So yeah, YouTube is a very useful tool. It's a very useful tool for a mechanic, just because it gives you a bit of insight. There's no person out there that can honestly say they've done every job, and you're always learning new things, you're always doing new stuff. And one of my favorite sayings is same shit, different day. And even though, to be honest, I do the same stuff every day, but it's always something new that kind of pickles your brain and kind of gets you thinking. So yeah, I just thought I'd create this channel. I'm getting into 650, pushing on towards 700 subscribers now. So thank you so much to everybody who subscribes to my channel, and I hope you get value from my videos. That's what I aim for. And yeah, any comments, any information, and yeah, if you can hit the subscribe button, it really helps push my channel. And yeah, like and comment and feel free to give any feedback. But yeah, so thanks for watching, thanks for checking out my channel, and hopefully we'll interact and I can help you with problems that you have. So yeah, thanks for watching. We're out.
Hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.